Go.
Good morning, guys, especially to you, ma'am. We are here in front of you to present our chosen company, which is Supermalls or SM.
So, first, the overview of SM Supermalls. SM Supermall is one of the largest chains of shopping malls in the Philippines in Southeast Asia, operated by SM Prime Holdings Incorporation, founded by Henry C. Sr. The company has become a household name in Philippine retail, known as one-stop destination for shopping, dining, entertainment, and services. As of 25, SM operates over 80 malls nationwide and several in China, serving millions of customers daily. With its wide network, SM Supermalls plays a major role in the shaping Filipinos' consumer lifestyle, proving convenience and accessibility to goods and services under one roof. So, this overview is important because it sets the context of how SM is not just a business. It's not just a business, but also part of Filipino lifestyle and economy. So it shows why SM continues to dominate the retail and commercial space in the country. So we'll proceed to VMG of company. So first, Vision. BH's most dominant, trusted, and preferred mall developer, providing world-class retail and leisure experience. So, Vision gives direction for long-term growth. So, it shows why SM continues to dominate and gives direction and reflects the ambition of SM and to be leader not just only in the Philippines but also in the Asia. Mission to deliver innovative and sustainable mall development that brings together retail, dining, entertainment, and community service for Filipino citizens. So, a mission defines what the company does daily. So, SM Mission highlights its role in shaping family-oriented and spaces that go beyond shopping. Example, SM malls include play area for kids, cinemas, and etc. So, goals expand nationwide and globally with new malls in strategic areas. Second, strengthen integration of digital shopping platform to complement physical malls. Third, maintain customer loyalty through continuous innovation in world. The last one, promote sustainability through eco-friendly mall design and operation. So this goal addresses both growth, modernization, loyalty, and responsibility. They ensure that SM stays competitive in the future. So so that's all my part, and we'll proceed to Justin Benedict.
Next is company for which include the products, price, place, and promotion. First, the products. SM Supermalls offers a diverse range of services such as retail spaces for local and international brands, supermarkets, department stores, cinemas, food courts, convention center, and recreational facilities. SM Malls is not only focusing on one product, but a wide variety of product. You can dine in, and also you can watch movies from the cinemas. Price competitive and flexible pricing schemes for tenants, while ensuring that customer benefit from affordable shopping and service options. So ang price sa SM is nagadepende sa ilang manufacturer and suppliers. And also, kanagdikan silang mga tenants na nagarenta sa ilang mga space. Place with over 80 malls across the Philippines and 7 in China. SM strategically locates malls in urban centers and growing provinces to capture both high-income and mass-market customers. So a place is not only, ang SM is not only focusing in the Philippines but extending nationwide. Promotion. Seasonal sales, holiday events, concerts, exhibit, digital campaigns, and collaboration with retail partners. SM also leverages social media and loyalty program. Example, SM Advantage Card to strengthen the customer engagement. So, from the SM, nasalay ka ng Advantage Card so that kanang pag kanang magpalit sa ilang product, so like supermarkets, 9 points na ma-add sa ilang card. And also kanang mga seasonal na promotion like Christmas season, kanang mga sales 20% discount. Next is company value chain. Inbound logistics, strategic partnership with local and international retailers, suppliers, and service providers to offer a wide variety of shopping and lifestyle options. Ang inbound logistics is muna siya ang storage or mga stocks from manufacturer to SM. Operation, mall management, tenant installations, security and maintenance of facilities to ensure smooth video operation. So, third is outbound logistics, provision of rental spaces and services to tenants who directly serve customer as well as digital mall platform for online service. So, ang outbound is muna siya outbound logistics is muna siya ang mga delivery, packaging, and also nasa like SM mobile app na can order online. Marketing and sales, aggressive marketing strategies including mall and wide sales, seasonal promotion and online campaign to attract customer and sustain foot traffic. So ang marketing and sales sa SM, sometimes nag-sales sila from 15 or 20% discount. So kanang mga discount is maka-attract mga customer na makapalit ng mga product na less na lang sa original price. Services, customer service center, concierge desk amenities such as Wi-Fi, clean restroom, child care facilities, and 24/7 security for customer safety. Ang SM is nag-provide din sila ng customer safety. Day and night ay mga security guard or mga CCTV nga nakabantay. Company core competencies, strong brand recognition. SM is synonymous with mall culture in the Philippines. So, ang mall culture sa Philippines is wala